Hi folks, today we're installing windows for an old customer down in Iowa that I've done some work on his log home. And we've got new Pella windows going in here, and they're a little bit smaller than the original ones, and they're built a little different than they were 25 years ago too. So anyway, we've centered them in the opening. And we'll be putting new trim around it inside and the outside after we get them insulated. We've got some spray foam in there now, but we got to put some more foam in there, and we got to get some shims over here in the middle of the windows. The most challenging one is over here in the kitchen, where I've attempted to save the old casing, which is behind the upper cabinets. I don't know how that's going to work out, but if we can make it work, that'd be great. Otherwise, we'll have to tear it out and fit it in there some other way, which I'm not looking forward to. I did goof up the window order and got the extension jambs too big, which is better than getting them too small, I guess. So we've had to cut them all down. And here's what the outside looks like. We'll be putting some window tape around the outside, and new trim there. Down at the bottom, we'll have room for backer rod and some caulking, and that'll be about it. This is the old flashing that was above the windows, which I think was designed as kind of a slip joint to allow for settlement. The way they've got the window bucks in here, I think they're actually mortised back into the logs to allow for settlement in the log wall. And then the flashing up above, there was there's probably a good inch of clearance up there, so the house didn't settle that much. But over here you can see how they did that flashing slip joint thing on these other windows in the door, which we are not replacing. But anyway, I believe the house is 25 years old, and kept up pretty good, in good shape. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.